Hey everyone, this is Blake Weber. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. Have you ever wondered what your life could be like with smooth speech? You know, you can go to the coffee shop that you wanted to or the restaurant that you want to and be able to ask for the food or drink that you want and say it smoothly, clearly, and confidently. Or maybe you just want to speak up during a meeting because you think what you have is valuable to bring forth to the conversation, but you're just fearful of getting stuck and what others may think. Well, I can tell you today that it is entirely possible to attain smooth speech. It takes hard work and commitment, but it's entirely possible, and I am a living testament to that. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Oh, the program won't work on me. My situation is unique. My speech is different. The program just won't work. Well, I've had those thoughts, and I can say with almost 100% certainty that other people have had those thoughts too. Whenever I first got into the program and I would open my mouth during a conversation to begin to speak, my head would just be filled with self-doubt. I would doubt the tools, the strategies, and my new speaking style that it was going to work. And I would doubt the results that I was achieving while I was achieving them. And I began to realize that I was becoming a better speaker. I was becoming a smoother speaker and an excellent speaker. And the more I came to realize that, the more confident I became. And once that confidence is with you, your speech, man, you feel like this burden, this heavy burden has been lifted off of you. And I know other people have used this before, but it really feels like it. It feels like you are unshackled and the boundaries are limitless, because they are once you are able to communicate smoothly. And you may also be saying to yourself you just don't have the time, or you've tried other programs in the past, and while you were able to achieve short-term results, nothing was really long-lasting or stuck with you. I can tell you that this program is scientifically based with proven results. Doctors take this program. Engineers go through the program. Trained professionals go through this program. It works. It just works. And again, I've gone through it. I'm still going through it. And it works. My speech is better. I'm a more confident person. I speak more smoothly. I can think back to whenever, before I first started, and I was a unconfident, miserable person, and I wanted to look for the correct system that could help me achieve better speech. And when I found the Pro 90D speech program, it changed. Everything changed. And to be honest, I don't know what I would do without it, because it has increased my opportunities. It has increased my confidence. I'm able to see the world in a more positive light. And again, you feel unshackled. I feel as if I can do so much more than what I was capable of doing before I started going through this program. It works. It just works. Thank you guys for watching this short video, and I'll see you later.